Hey everybody, it's Juvandy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and you're probably wondering what is going on up here. So I'm gonna do a separate video on this, but I started my locks, and yeah, but for right now I am about to get ready. I have my hair in some braids because I wanted to do a braid out with my baby locks. My locks are about 2 weeks now, actually 2 weeks locked, and I'm trying to embrace it, or embrace the new look, because when I have my loose natural hair, it's always like up in a high puff or something, and if I have them twisted like this, I'm always preparing it for a twist out or a braid out or something. So yeah, anyways, let's get right into me taking down my hair. So since I just set my edges, I will finish getting ready and checking on Berna, and then I will be back with my final look of my hair. I'm just gonna refreshen up my lips because I ate a sandwich, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Cream lip gloss. This is like so nice. I love this lip gloss. I outlined my lip with a dark brown, and then just print this in the middle. Do you see how nice that is? This is so good. But yeah, that's my lip for the day. This Fenty Beauty cream color with a, let me show you what I lined my lips with. I use ColourPop lipstick, and I'm using the color Cloudscape in the liquid lipsticks. Let's take out my hair and then get Berna dressed to go. I'm gonna put her in a sweater, but my hair had time to sit, and then I'm just gonna bring some of the hair forward so it's just not like back, you know what I mean? Just fluff it out to the front. Alright, fluff these to the front. And this is my hair. I like this look. I know my hair is not gonna be like this forever. I feel like once I learn to love this look of my locks, they're gonna start growing and changing. But right now, I really, really love it. And I'm just separating the back. Let me show you the back. I'm gonna go in with my oil where I put the edge control, that way it's just not flaky in the front, and then we're good to go. But yeah, this is my finished look for the day. I'm gonna take some pictures and then I am going to head out.
We never gonna rest till everybody bless. Make sure say everybody bless. Yeah, yeah. Everybody bless. Miss up one hand in the sky, the other on your chest.